Hello, dear students. Continuing with the third part of the DMIMS suggestions for AETCOM, based on the study of Dr. Gaurav Mishra et al., a critical appraisal of bioethical inclusions in AETCOM module for competency-based undergraduate medical education as prescribed by Medical Council of India. The role of human beings in protection of the environment, the biosphere, and biodiversities with regard to the medical profession. The environment, the biosphere, and biodiversities are interrelated terms that describe different aspects of natural world. The environment is the physical and biological surrounding in which living organisms interact. Biosphere is the global ecosystem that encompasses all living organisms and non-living factors that influence them. And biodiversity is the variety and variability of life on Earth, including diversity of genes, species, and ecosystems. The environment is essential for human health. We need clean air, water, and food to survive. We also need a healthy environment to protect us from diseases. For example, clean air helps us to prevent respiratory infections, and clean water helps us to prevent waterborne diseases. The environment is also home to many plants and animals that provide us medicine. For example, bark of the willow tree contains a compound that makes aspirin. The rosy periwinkle plant contains a compound that is used to treat leukemia, and the HIV/AIDS drug AZT was originally derived from a fungus. The loss of biodiversity is a major threat to human health. Biodiversity is a variety of life on Earth. It includes the diversity of plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and other organisms. Biodiversity is important for human health because it provides us with a variety of medicine, food, and other resources. The loss of biodiversity is also a threat to the environment. Biodiversity helps to maintain the health of ecosystem. Ecosystems are the natural systems that support life on Earth. They include the forest, grassland, ocean, and other habitat. Ecosystem provide us with clean air, water, food, and other essential resources. Here are some specific things that humans can do to protect the environment, the biosphere, and diversities. We need to reduce our reliance on fossil fuel and switch to renewable energy sources. Conserve water and energy. Reduce our consumption of goods and services. Recycle and compost. Support sustainable agriculture. Protect forest and other natural habitats. Reduce our use of pesticides and herbicides. Conserve wildlife. Support environmental education. By taking these steps, we can make a difference in the fight to protect the environment, the biosphere, and the biodiversity. We can protect human health and health for the planet for future generations. The medical profession has a significant impact on environment and biodiversity. The most widespread motivation for protecting the environment, biosphere, and biodiversity is for the instrumental value, which is for the various kind of functions they serve to humans. The value includes indirect benefits, direct use, and value of amenity, existence, and options. In order to protect the environment and biodiversities with regard to medical profession, it is important to consider reducing waste and pollution from medical facilities, proper disposal of hazardous waste, reducing energy consumption in medical facilities, and encouraging sustainable practices in medical research. The protection of environment, biosphere, and biodiversity is a matter of human rights, justice. It ensures that all people have access to health and safe environment that enables to live with dignity. It's a matter of cultural diversities and heritage as it preserves the richness and uniqueness of different ways relating to nature. It's a matter of social inclusion and empowerment as it enables people to participate in environmental governance and management. It's a management of economic development and equity as it creates opportunities for livelihoods based on natural resources. It's a matter of environmental sustainability and resilience as it maintains the functioning and balance of ecosystems that provide essential services for life. The role of human beings in protecting nature can be demonstrated by various actions such as developing and implementing laws and policies that protect the environmental and biosphere and biodiversities from threats such as pollution, climate change, habitat loss, overexploitation, and invasive species. Establish mechanisms and platforms that facilitate the access to and exchange of information on environmental issues and solutions. Supporting initiatives that conserve, restore, or enhance the environment, the biosphere, and the biodiversities such as protected area restoration projects or green infrastructure. Providing training and educational programs that enhance the awareness and skill of people on environmental matters. Encouraging partnership and network that foster collaboration and innovation among different actors of environmental issues. So, humans are the dominant species on Earth, and our actions have a profound impact in the environment. We are responsible for climate change, deforestation, pollution, and extinction of countless species. These environmental problems are having a negative impact on human health, and they are also threatening the health of the Earth planet. Humans have a responsibility to protect the environmental, the biosphere, and the biodiversity. We need to reduce our impact on the environment. We need to conserve biodiversity. By doing so, we can protect the human health and health of the planet. So this ends the third part of the 4 lecture series. See you in the last lecture of this series.